We will be looking at how to block appointments in this video. In System 1, there are two different ways that this can work. The first is by using the inbuilt blocking functionality, and the other is done by amending slots in a rota. You'll see how they are slightly different, and that the way users can access them are different. Both make sure that the slot is unbookable for an appointment. So the first way to block appointments. On either the ledger or overview screen, right-click on an empty appointment slot. You can see there is an option to block this slot. The system gives you the option to put a reason in for why this is being blocked, but it is not mandatory. Selecting OK now makes the slot red and unbookable. One way to remove this block, you can left-click to highlight and then hit delete on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click and use block. This will automatically go to the search dialog to find a patient, so then you can book into this now available slot. This first way of blocking depends on an organisation preference. As you can see, it is a list that can be made of staff who are able to block and who are unable to block in this way. So the second way of blocking slots within System 1. When creating slot types, you can make that particular slot type blocked rather than bookable. For instance, at my organisation, there is a slot type named Meeting, but it is a blocked type of slot. Back on my appointment screen, if I find another empty slot, I can amend the slot type and change this to the Meeting slot. The slot changes to the colour associated to that meeting slot. When I right-click on this, I am unable to book an appointment. To remove this block, I would have to amend the slot back to a slot type that is bookable. This method is only possible if you have the appointment administrator access right, since you are amending an existing rota.